How to fix cannot download files on Google Drive full guide. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Google Drive and how you can fix your cannot download files errors in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, basically, what happens when Google Drive is giving you the cannot download files error? Now, there could be one of two things, all right? The first thing could be that your browser data and storage is so full that it is not receiving any more downloads, or maybe Google Drive's servers are off. Now, in both cases, there is a fix. So for the first case that Google Drive is not downloading because your browser storage and cache is full, is what you can do is you're going to go over to your settings. You're going to go over to your settings again, come over to reset settings, go over to this, and once you reset, it's going to restore your browser at a default value, removing any caches, any cookies, and any other things that are taking up its storage. Now, in the case that Google Drive's servers are off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to any extension that provides you VPN, okay? And once you add a VPN for yourself and reload your Google Drive page, that should change your server for Google Drive. And now you're going to be able to fix your download, okay? So that is pretty much about it for how to fix cannot download files on Google Drive. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.